I can tell that we gon' hit it off. Yeah, you laugh, but it's light work. Booty is the truth, girl, you got some nice perks. Your body language got me out here trying to function. I ain't send a deal and leave him with no one but you. Girl, you got a chance, then give me your name. I don't like talking to randoms. We could turn up.
What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Jade. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time to my channel, then it's just welcome to the show. And for all my returning subscribers, hey, how y'all doing? I know your girl been on a little consistency kick, so clap it up for me. Not too much, because we don't know how long this is gonna last. But anyway, I'm about to review 3 new wigs. So for the next 3 videos, this is how your girl gonna look. I'm gonna come back, you know, after I've done all the unboxing and everything, and whatever wig y'all get for the rest of the videos, the wig y'all gonna see from the title. So stay tuned. Episode 2 of TikTok Made Me Buy It, featuring BMG Girl Hair. Like I said, we unboxing together, girl. So for this unit, this company is so far my favorite TikTok Made Me Buy It. I'm not gonna mention their name in this video because that would be very unclassy of me, but yeah, I will link in the description box and the info card up above this review for this unit. So getting back to this one, let's see what kind of gifts they got for your girls. This is their straight 20-inch. I have never worn a 20-inch unit. What did they send in your girl's box? They got a nice little satin bag. Oh, this is cute. They got a cute little bonnet. It's not little. They got a cute little bonnet for your girl. They got a couple of wig caps. Their info card. So BMG Girl stands for Black Girl Magic. I like that. I like that. You got edge brush, and then they sent a melting band as well. Oh, and some lashes. Now let's get to the good stuff, okay? Like I said, this is their 20-inch. I think it's supposed to be pre-everything, pre-bleach, pre-cut, everything, okay? It is pre-bleached. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Pre-plucked, pre-bleached. I'm liking. Yes, ma'am. Look at that bleacherization on there. Yes, ma'am. It's pre-cut and it's got the zigzags in it. It is pre-plucked as promised. It looks like it's transparent lace. Oh my goodness, look at that. Can you see them knots? Because I can't. Can you see them knots, friend? Knots where? Knots where? The hair is really soft. It doesn't have a strong smell. It does have like a little wiggy smell, but the hair is really, really soft. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take this one off. Don't scream when you see my hair, okay? Don't scream. It's not that serious. Because it's really time for me to wash my hair. Oh, it don't look that bad. All right, y'all. Let's do some cap construction. It has... Oh! The combs are removable, girl. The combs are removable, girl. You can't see what I'm doing. Oh, okay. Okay, BMG. All right. So, this is their, I want to say 7x5. It has the 2 removable combs on the sides, the elastic band, piano band in the back, on a removable comb in the back. BMG, Black Girl Magic. I'm gonna leave this one in here because I like security in my back, okay? So let's pop this on real quick. Let's see what we're working with. You know what I really like about this is that elastic band? It's got that silicone, so it fits snugly in the back and that you don't get that slipperage. So I definitely like that. Close my eyes so y'all get the first peek. Oh, my adjustable comb came out. My comb came out. So, now this is supposed to be glueless, okay? It does fit really nicely. I'm giving big head friendly. Feel like I need to pull it back some more. Now, before I take a look, tell me what you think, friend. Does it look good? Is the lace lacing? Is the wig wigging? I think this is their 9x5 because it comes down right about here. So it might be their 9x5. Friend. 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 Oh my goodness. Friend. Oh my goodness. Friend. Friend, it's giving fresh silk press. Friend, no makeup whatsoever, friend. No makeup. Put on and go. If you so choose. Friend. Are you hold on. My hairline does not come down that far. So I'm going to pull this back just a little bit to right in front of my hairline. Matter of fact, where is my hairline? Can you see it? Because I can't. And I'm being so serious right now. Where is my hairline? Where is it? Okay, it's right there. It's right there. All right. Okay. I'm good now. Friend, this is all lace right here. What y'all be doing? What? Friend. BMG girl. You got me in a chokehold right now, friend. You gonna make me fall in love with middle parts. Friend. I'm shooketh. All right, friend, what I'm gonna do, because it's hot right now, what I'm gonna do is get my hot comb going, get my little gel going, and then we gonna come back and style this good old glueless wig friend. So I'll be back. here's my final thoughts on BG Girl. Black Girl Magic. Let's give them a hand clap because this is now my favorite. I'm sorry to the other company when I said best wig I've ever had. Yeah, this is everything. It's giving suppress. No shedding, slight smell, just the wig smell. Wash it, it'll come right out. Easy lay down, no glue. Sis, all you gotta do is put a hot comb to the parting space. You didn't even have to straighten it like I did. It had a little bit of a bump in it from shipping and everything. I have no cons, absolutely none. My cons are personal because I had to lay my own edges because, girl, I got low sitting edges. A big forehead, a big head, and low sitting edges. Make that make sense. But it blends perfectly. Put some makeup in a parting space if you have to. I'm really fair skinned, so dealing with lace and getting it to match my skin tone and my scalp complexion, I choose to do my scalp complexion and make it more realistic as opposed to making it match my foundation. Some wig influencers will put the exact same shade color in their parting space. I never understood that. They never explained it. So I like it. My complexion and then my scalp complexion as close as possible. You saw everything. Everything will be in the description box below. I do believe this is an M cap, which puts a little circular spot around the ear so it fits more comfortably. It is, I believe, a 7x6. Don't quote me on that, but like I said, everything will be in the description box below. I freaking love this unit. Like I said, there's no cons. Absolutely none. I have nothing bad to say. It's so full and so soft. You can't tell me this ain't my hair. That's all I got to say. You can't tell me this ain't my hair. You can't. So I will see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know I'm going to keep begging for them subscribers because I love y'all. And I want to grow. And I know y'all want to see somebody else's hair and somebody else's face and somebody else's, comedy. So we have fun over here. And I'm hoping that you see that. So until next video, I will see you guys later. Take care.
And don't forget that red box, you can click it, no ticket.